Hey fellers, Port Dakota hasn't been to the car wash in quite some time. I also noticed my headlight brackets there starting to come loose. This used to never have a gap in it, so I should tighten those up. I mean, it's not that tight, but it's also not that loose. Probably shouldn't wipe those off barehanded, but yeah, you can see it's overdue for a nice douching. I took the traction boards down. You can see my shitty Bondo work is just coming out of it. It's just bubbling, rusting. I should have been maintaining it a lot better than I was, but I haven't been. Tailgate 2, my shitty Bondoing, it's just coming apart. This side's probably the worst. I think somebody hit this with their car door a couple of times, and look, it's just flaking. It's coming right off. That's what you get for parking at Myers, Walmart, and them places. But I took those off. Those, I don't know how moisture's getting in there, but it is. I mean, they're still pretty bright. Looks so weird without my traction boards on there. I'm so used to those. Also, I can't get all the snow and ice off this bitch, so. And then back there, can't get all that out with my scraper. And it's a tight fit, so. My hand won't get in there. I silicone the third brake light. I also been wanting to check to see. It looks dry. Usually this is soaked, so it was the third brake light leaking. Go figure. It ruined my it ruined that, whatever you guys call that, the ceiling. The floorboard is usually soaked on the driver's side. It's froze, so it's probably still wet, which it never had a chance to dry. I mean, I did install this back window. I got it from Superior Auto, which somebody actually has a slider for me now. But I remember having such a bitch of a time installing this that I don't even care about the slider anymore, which would be nice. This is what the truck originally came with, was a sliding back window. And, well, we got this one, and you can see those ain't hooked up. Ugh. Got my, I'm a crazy poser, dude. My ICP. Can't even see him. Waiting on somebody to show up real quick. Then I am going to tally ho to the fucking car wash and see if we can get this Dakota all cleaned up. The frame I painted, it's doing real well. Really, really well. I'm proud of that job. It also took me a couple of days. So, yeah, either way, I'm gonna take this, go wash this, and, well, or who I'm waiting on, they ain't here yet. It's a real beautiful day, though. I mean, it's a little chilly out, but it's real nice out. Here's the roads. This is what it's like. It's a beautiful view, but it's for shit out. only 35 through here. I'm doing 35, but with the oversized tires, I'm probably doing close to 40. I do have the Max Tracks. I could try going through the park and see how well the Dakota does. Well, probably should have done that before going to the car wash. Hey, we'll do it another time. I don't feel like calling a tow truck. Even though we do have the traction boards, I do have a shovel or two. Downshifting. I just hope the car wash ain't slammed with a bunch of people. The Dakota's driving better with out that plow on the front. It's not pulling hard left or anything, so I don't know what the dealio was about with that. Oh great, oh great. Why do you have to pull out in front of people like that? It's like you idiots can fucking wait 1 second. Assholes like this that go way too slow for people with bald tires to make the hill. It's 25, not 10 miles an hour. Stay in your lane too, retard. What are you doing stopping? Sorry, Phyllis. That's why you're down there. Alright guys, I made it to the car wash in the shittiest way, so I guess I'll film after I'm done. Real slushy because they wouldn't plow it. It's bullshit. Not something you want to drive down after going and spending $8 at a car wash. Really sucks. So now I have to try and clean that off before it hardens too much. Yeah, get something and dry it off. Yeah, it really sucks. Especially coming down all that slush. And going slow did help it some. I think I'm gonna take a towel and try and dry it off, but look at this. My Bondo didn't even hold up. And then the paint just came right off. Crazy. Bondoed the bottom part of that door too. You can see the rust coming. Really sucks. At least I got all that snow out from under in there. That King coating, or Avalon King coating, that stuff is awesome. I'm gonna wipe her down real quick, guys. See what it looks like some, but Mother Nature won't let me. Don't look too shabby. Looks pretty decent. You can see my reflection in it pretty good. Avalon King, your coatings are no joke. It's actually one of the best ones I've ever tried. I've tried a couple, and I'm really satisfied with the price of this one and its performance. That it's holding up real good. Honestly, didn't expect it to do this well. The salt, the rain, the mud, dirt. I'd probably buy it again.